Big brother! Look at these cats! One is spotted and the other is completely orange. Why do they look so different?
Dua, these puppies are so different. Is phenotype the reason?
Yes. And phenotypes are determined by genes, the tiny instructions inside every living thing.
Look at the baby bunnies. They have different colors, even though they have the same mom.
If they have the same mother, why don't they look the same?
Mama, why the leaves of this short plant started changing color?
Baba, why do people look so different? Some kids have curly hair, and some have straight hair.
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Welcome back, young scientists! Today, we're exploring the concept of phenotype, how the traits we see, like eye color and height, are influenced by our genes. Get ready to discover how heredity shapes the way we look and grow.
Big brother! Look at these cats! One is spotted and the other is completely orange. Why do they look so different?
That's because of their phenotype. A phenotype is how something looks on the outside, like fur color, eye color, or even height.
So, phenotype means how an animal looks?
Yes, but it's more than just looks. It also includes things like behavior, how fast an animal can run, or even whether a plant has big or small leaves.
Dua, these puppies are so different. Is phenotype the reason?
Yes. And phenotypes are determined by genes, the tiny instructions inside every living thing.
So, genes decide if a puppy will have short or long fur.
Exactly. But there's more. The environment also plays a role.
What does that mean?
Imagine one of these puppies has genes to grow big and strong. But if it doesn't get enough food, it might not grow as big as it could.
Oh. So genes and the environment both decide how something looks?
That's right. A puppy born with fluffy fur will always have fluffy fur, but how strong and healthy it grows depends on food, exercise, and care.
Look at the baby bunnies. They have different colors, even though they have the same mom.
If they have the same mother, why don't they look the same?
That's because of genotype and phenotype.
Oh. I remember. Genotype is what's inside, and phenotype is what we see.
Exactly. The mother rabbit might have genes for both white and brown fur. If the father also has brown fur genes, some babies will inherit brown fur, and others will be white.
So, some genes are hidden inside and don't always show up in the phenotype?
Yes. That's because some genes are dominant, meaning they show up even if there's only one copy. Others are recessive, meaning they only show up if the baby gets 2 copies of that gene.
Mama, why the leaves of this short plant started changing color?
This is another example of how the environment affects phenotype. The tall tree with green leaves still have plenty of sunlight. But the small tree turning yellow is getting less sunlight. That's why the color of their leaves started changing from green to yellow.
Oh! So, even though all trees have green leaves in summer, they change color when the season changes?
Exactly. This is an environmental change that affects phenotype.
Baba, why do people look so different? Some kids have curly hair, and some have straight hair.
That's because some traits are controlled by many genes, not just one. These are called polygenic traits.
What else is a polygenic trait?
Height, eye color, and even skin color. That's why there are so many different shades of skin and different heights in people.
Baba, these twins look the same, but one is a little taller. Why?
That's because of epigenetics. Epigenetics is when the environment changes how genes work, even though the genes stay the same.
Oh. So, even though they have the same genes, things like food, exercise, and sleep can change how they grow?
Exactly. That's why even identical twins can look a little different as they grow up.
Now it's the time for quiz. Are you ready for a fun quiz to test what you've learned about phenotype? Let's see if you've got what it takes. It's quiz time. What is a phenotype? A. How something looks and behaves. B. Genes inside the body. C. A type of plant. The correct answer is I. How something looks and behaves. A phenotype is all about how an organism looks and behaves. What determines a phenotype? A. Only genes. B. Only the environment. C. Genes and the environment. The correct answer is C. Genes and the environment. Phenotypes aren't just about genes. The environment also plays a role. Why do baby bunnies from the same mother look different? A. They eat different food. B. They have different genotypes. C. They change colors later. The correct answer is B. They have different genotypes. Even though they have the same parents, baby bunnies can look different because of their genotypes. Why do tree leaves change color? A. Because of genotype. B. Due to environmental changes. C. Because of their height. The correct answer is B. Due to environmental changes. Leaves change color in autumn because of environmental changes like temperature and sunlight. What is epigenetics? A. Genes that never change. B. When genes disappear. C. When the environment changes gene expression. The correct answer is C. When the environment changes gene expression. Epigenetics is all about how the environment can change the way genes are expressed without altering the DNA itself. Have you ever wondered what controls these visible traits? Next time, we'll dive into the concept of genotype to uncover the hidden genetic code behind what makes us unique. See you then! Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.